With a bright color display, swivel adjustment, and 4 selectable modes, the versatile TU-02 offers reliable tuning for guitar, bass, ukulele, and other stringed instruments. Compact and accurate clip-on tuner with high-contrast color display up to 24 hours of continuous runtime. With CR2032 lithium battery auto power off feature conserves battery life when not in use. No. 5. Boss chromatic clip guitar, bass, and ukulele reliable and precise battery-powered tuner with high-contrast color display warranty, TU-02. Highly sensitive tuner, metronome beat mode, ideal for noisy environments, suitable for music teachers, professional and junior players, variety of tuning, 6C standard pitch bass and string instruments, guitar, bass, ukulele, violin, tuning range, OA, 27.5 Hz, -8C. 4186.01 Hz, environmentally friendly ABS plastic applications, no inferior materials. FCC and CE certification, lead-free certification, directly sold by JOYO Technology, who is with over 14 years of experience in customer service, products research and development. Any questions should you met, feel free to contact us. No. 4. JOYO Guitar Tuner Clip-on Digital Electronic Tuner for guitar, bass, ukulele, violin, mandolin, banjo acoustics calibration tuner, JT09. Different application and modes. Lightweight superfun guitar tuner suitable for any guitars, bass, ukulele, C/D, violin, and chromatic. Tuning modes, C, chromatic, G, guitar, B, bass, V, violin, U, ukulele, high precision and sensitivity. Superfun guitar tuners can accurate and quick to tuning your precious instrument even in noisy or dark environment. And easy to adjust with one hand. If tuner no operation, that tuner will be auto power off after 3-minute. Unique design. Different thickness guitar picks make different music tone, and 7 colors meet you needs. Same thickness guitar picks in a good package. All thickness guitar picks in a container. Each guitar pick's right thickness keeps you easy to find and store. High precision and sensitivity. Superfun guitar tuners can accurate and quick to tuning your precious instrument even in noisy or dark environment. And easy to adjust with one hand. If tuner no operation, that tuner will be auto power off after 3-minute. No. 3. MOREYES 28 PCS picks guitar tuner clip on chromatic digital tuner for acoustic guitars, violin, ukulele, bass. Compact, dual-hinged clip-on tuner guitar, bass, ukulele, violin, and chromatic tuning modes. Color LCD screen with easy-to-read tuning needle. Tuning range B0, B7. A 440 calibration includes CR2032 battery. No. 2. Fender FCT-2 professional clip-on tuner. Full color display features frequency range tailored to guitar and bass. Tuner can be used on front of back of headstock. Rotates 360 degrees. No. 1. Snark SN5X clip-on tuner for guitar, bass and violin, current model.